left the airport, I took the bus, and I'm gonna do this experience, this activity before I go to where I'm gonna stay, and then later on I'm gonna go to the concert of this Norwegian duo. But this activity, it's, I mean, I never done that before. I'm obviously I'm a person that loves peace, but I believe that knowing how to use a gun or like a shotgun, it's important. So that's what I'm gonna do, and try some guns and stuff. So yeah, let's see how is the experience gonna be, because the first time I do something like this, it's gonna be interesting. Let's see how it goes. A man should know how to fight, how to do maybe like Muay Thai or some other kind of fighting, or like judo, to defend themselves as if there's an issue. And obviously also when it comes to fire, even that anywhere in Europe guns are legal, so that's not actually like a big deal, but it's important to know, in my opinion, it's important to know how to use this stuff in case you never know what can happen. But I think knowing how to do this skill can be important maybe at some point, even that, I mean, I'm not planning to have a gun or anything like that. I mean, I'm completely against that, but knowing the skill and knowing how to do that, and definitely also a lifetime experience. People here drive so fast in Poland, like it's crazy. Like it's something that it only happens here, and I think like the east of Europe.
kind because we stayed last time with daughter and
I forgot
son.
this. Thank you, Mark. Holy shit. Right, so first impression, I don't know if there's so much light here, but first impression, you feel safer when you have an instructor, definitely, with doing this kind of stuff. Because he was like teaching me, and like I was feeling quite safe, to be honest. But yeah, let's get into a place with more light, because here there's not light at all. Okay, here looks like there's some more light. So in the beginning it's a bit like, it gives you a lot of respect, and I was like holding it super strong, you know, like in the beginning a little bit shaking, but obviously after some shots with different weapons, then you kind of like get used to it a little bit. I mean, it takes like maybe half an hour to waste maybe like 80 shots or something like that with different weapons. But the experience was super cool, and that's the thing, like in the beginning you hold it super strong, you're afraid that it can go to you, you know, and like with one weapon, for example, you need to be careful that you're like holding it all the time and it doesn't go to you. Be a bit scared that the shoot can go to you, or like it can drop or something, but if you take it strong and steady, it doesn't happen anything like that. And if we shoot with confidence, that's something funny, if we shoot with confidence, you get the shot and you hit the target. It's funny because I never played like Call of Duty or like shooting games. I'm not like that type of person, to be honest, and still I was like more than 70% in most of the cases I was touching the, like hitting the target. And therefore this shows that playing video games on like shooting and stuff, it doesn't give you and it doesn't prove you that you in real life, because that's the thing, in real life and not video games, and that's something that I'm saying all the time in so many videos, like video games, that's not real life, this was real life. Or going to training in the army, in case you go to the army of some European country, for example. So this is what I mean, this is the real experience, and that's what, in my opinion, you should practice, what you should do, instead of like wasting your time in playing video games on shooting, that it doesn't actually teach you any valuable skill. While if you go here, if you do these kind of activities, you actually learn how to shoot a gun. Now it's time to go to the accommodation, grab some dinner, and then I'll go to the concert. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. This video was definitely something different and something to do, and that I, at some point, this had to appear on this channel, or like an experience such as this, or like maybe doing bungee jumping. We're gonna do that as well in December. So live experiences definitely, which are not maybe that common, like shooting different guns and also automatic ones. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe here to Family Talking in case you haven't done that yet, and up here to see my last upload on the channel. So yeah, as always, thanks so much, and remember to stay always friendly from Poland.